What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Donkey from Shrek. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I'm going to start with the one on the left from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now we'll leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to line up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left side, we're going to draw a smaller circle. Going around, and then in. Draw that same size circle on the right. Now in the center of each eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle and fill that in black for the center of the pupils. Now let's draw the bridge of the nose. Directly underneath the left eye, we're going to curve this up in towards the eye, go across the middle, and then down. And then on either side, we're going to add a curve coming in for the nostrils. Let's move down in the middle. Let's add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Round up the mouth, go all the way up towards the top. Now on the corners of the mouth, we're going to add a small bracket. Let's add those two large front teeth. From underneath the mouth, we're going to bend this out and then down towards the bottom. Curve the bottom of the teeth. Now I'm going to separate the teeth right in the middle with a straight line. Let's add two smaller teeth along the outside. On the left, angle this down and in. Bend this down and in towards the side. Now let's go back to the side of the muzzle. We're going to curve this up around the corner of the mouth and then bend that in. Now from the left side, let's bend this down and then in towards the chin. Round up the chin, go out and then up towards the right. Now I'm going to go back to the top of the eyes and draw in the eyebrows. On the left, bend this up and then down. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now I want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. Starting from the end, go higher in the middle and then down towards a point along the inside. Then I'm going to fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. We're going to go in between the eyebrows. We're going to curve the head, going up on the left side, come around and then down just on top of the cheeks. Do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. Now I want to bump out the cheeks. Starting back on the left, going to go out and then bend that in towards the side of the jaw. Let's go to the center of the head. We're going to add that hair over on the left side, then it's out and then up. Let's add a point, going up and over towards the right. Bend this back down. Let's add one more point, going up and out. Pull this in and then down on top of the head. Let's move over towards the side and draw those two long ears. On the left side, then it's out, then up towards the top of our page. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to round out the tip of the ear. The ear is going to go wider, coming down, and then taper that in towards the head. Let's trace the ears along the inside. So just follow that same curve, going up toward the top, and then it's in towards the head. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw in the front of the body. We're going to start underneath the chin, draw a straight angled line coming down and out across the neck. Do the same thing on the right. Now from here, then it's out and then down towards the bottom of the front feet. Let's round out the bottom of the feet with a curve coming down and then up. Now from the bottom of the feet, let's move up and add a curve from left to right, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the inside of the feet, bend the legs, going up and then in underneath the body. Let's separate the feet with a curve along the bottom on both sides. Let's draw on the hind legs. Starting from the side of the body, we're going to bend this out and then down on both sides. Bend this out and then curve this in towards the side. I'm going to separate the bottom of the feet with another curve across the bottom. Now we're going to go back up to the top. We're going to add a trim across the center of the body. On the left side, we're going to come straight down, bend this out, and then in. Let's take that curve and flip it over on the right. Starting from the top, out, and then in. Now I'll finish off by adding the tail coming out from the right side. Starting from the top of the hind leg, that's out, and then up. From here, bend this in, out, and then up toward the top. Add a small curve to create a point. Let's add another point going up. Bend this all the way around and then in towards the bottom. Now trace the same curve along the outside. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Donkey from Shrek. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.